Gold prices surged on Friday, just $12 per ounce below their all-time high, as the US dollar fell to a one-month low, following comments by US President Donald Trump suggesting a potentially softer stance on tariffs against China and demanding lower interest rates, writes Atsuko Whitehouse at BullionVault. While gold and US dollars remained slightly below its record, the precious metal hit all-time highs in major currencies, including the euro, sterling, Japanese yen, and Chinese yuan. Spot gold rose as much as 1.2%, reaching its highest level since Halloween's pre-election peak of $2,790 per ounce this Friday lunchtime, after recovering from a $10 drop in the previous session. The yellow metal is on track for its best week since November 2024, when prices rose due to concerns over Russia's 1,000-day war on Ukraine could spread into a global conflict. Gold priced in euros hit a record high of €2,658, while UK gold prices reached £2,241 per ounce. In Japan, gold rose to 13,940 yen per gram. Similarly, on the Shanghai Gold Exchange, gold reached 646 yuan per gram at Shanghai's afternoon benchmarking auction. With oil prices going down, I'll demand that interest rates drop immediately, and likewise they should be dropping all over the world, Trump said at the World Economic Forum on Thursday in Davos, Switzerland. Trump continued warning global business and political leaders via video link that they would face tariffs if they manufactured their products outside the US. However, during a subsequent interview with Fox News later that day, he said he would prefer not to impose tariffs on China. The dollar index, a measure of the US currency's value relative to major peers, fell 0.5% to its weakest level since the 17th of December on Friday, marking a weekly decline of over 1%, the steepest in 2 months. The greenback, however, remained near its highest level in 2 years, which was reached in December after the US central bank halved its forecast for the scale of future rate cuts in its dot plot projections at its policy meeting. We expect investors to be willing to look through dollar strength, Joni Tavies, a strategist for Swiss bank and bullion clearer UBS, wrote in a note, adding that gold would attract demand as a safe haven and diversifier in a period of volatility and macroeconomic uncertainty. Market consensus now anticipates that Fed rates will drop to 3.94% by the end of 2025, 5 basis points lower than in the previous session. This marks the lowest level since the last Federal Reserve policy meeting in December. Earlier this week, Trump declared a 25% tariff on products imported from Canada and Mexico, set to take effect on the 1st of February 2025, unless these countries take measures to reduce the influx of migrants and fentanyl. The president later extended the 1st of February deadline to China on Tuesday, threatening a 10% tariff. Gold has gained as much as 2.6% since President Trump returned to the White House on Monday, while the precious metal in UK pounds and euro climbed 1.9% and 2.3% during the same time frame, respectively. Gold prices in the Japanese yen surged 2.9% over the past 4 days, amid the Bank of Japan's decision on Friday to raise short-term interest rates by 0.25%, bringing them to their highest level since the 2008 global financial crisis. Gold prices on the Shanghai Gold Exchange climbed 1.4% since Monday, shifting from a premium of $11.80 per ounce last week to a discount of 80 cents per ounce this week, indicating weaker demand in the metal's largest consumer market. Oil prices edged up on Friday, but remained on track for a weekly decline after President Trump demanded that OPEC reduce crude prices. Over the course of the week, Brent crude has decreased by nearly 3%, while West Texas Intermediate has seen a decline of 4%. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.